Hello there. Today we're going to show you how to train the AI bot on Zendesk articles and historical tickets using a variety of filters. This way, you won't need to manually extract information from previous customer interactions. Our seamless integration with Zendesk makes this a simple process. To begin, please navigate to the training section. From here, select Zendesk from the Support and CRM section. Once you've done this, you'll see an option to connect your help documents. By clicking on Train, you can start the training process on all support articles. By default, Threado will pull in all the published public articles from Zendesk. For ticket training, there are multiple filters available to you. These can be based on time duration, ticket status, or even specific ticket groups. You also have the option to select specific agents, such as your super agents, to focus solely on their ticket conversations. You can also train the AI on specific tags and your canned responses. Once you've completed these steps, all historical conversations and articles are quickly extracted from Zendesk. The training time may vary depending on the number of tickets you've selected and the length of the ticket conversations. After you've finished, you're fully equipped to pull in customer data. We encourage you to test it out and share your feedback with us, or suggest any improvements. Thank you.